Hi guys, I'm Charles Cabatian and today I'm not at National University Manila, but I'm at De La Salle University Manila and I'm here to compete for the Hacker Cup 2025.
Pero ganyan talaga yung ulo mo na mamaga pag ano.
Ulo po.
Malang ka.
So ano guys, ito yung first day na... Paano may pitch mo pa? Hindi ko magets bro. Ano konti? Okay. Sorry.
Yung mga viewers mo, mabobobo din.
Sorry. Hindi, okay lang kasi at least totoo ako. Di ba? Hindi ako nang pa-plastic. Ulitin natin ito.
Maganda pa rin yung thermal paste na ano. Parang ano, yung sa cheese. Tinatanggal na natin kasi cheese? Basta yung thermal paste.
Pre, ano? Joke na ulit eh.
Kaka na nesa. Oo, sabi ko. Hindi na ba si sir? Oo, pre, bilisan na. Kaya yung mukha niya, pre. Gulat na gulat to. Putangin na naman. Sabi niya, gumising pa ako. Ligo pa! Sabi, ang sakit ng ligo ko. Tara, pre, kami na tayo. Ano na mabala tayo? Sino yung ba? Mabala yung season na. Ay, eh. Pre, huwag mo sa ulan. Isa pa. Oo. Ito, pre. Malapit na, pre. Ano lang. Ito na lang yung lina. Ito lang malapit.
Guys, nasa 7-Eleven kami. Ha? Tongina mo. Sinasabi ka ba masama sa akin? Wala pang tao, di pa sumisikat eh. Sinisiraan na agad. Kasi libre kami ngayon yun. Ni Kelly.
Gusto ko saan yung Kelly? Pwede ba yung dito, Kelly?
So guys, nasa 7-Eleven kami ngayon kasi.
Pre, doon na si Kelly.
Wala pa kaming klase.
Hindi, pre.
Itong binablog ko to. Kung magsasalita.
850 ko, ayaw mo kami libre. Vlog yan. Si Boss, si Chip.
Si Chip go.
Kasi, pre, dapat pag kunyari, sabihin mo, pre, init natin today, ako na.
Ba?
Init na yan, medyo ulo mo, di ba? Pag sinapak ko pa.
Bakit?
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than.
Hi guys.
Guys, nag-verify lang kami ID guys.
HTML.
Pre, lagi na lang sinabi yun. Nandito na tayo. Ay guys, nakapasok na kami. So, we're going to the event proper na. I think. Oh, we got our lanyard na. Eh, at saka ID. Pwede na ako umuwi. Ito lang naman nabol ko dito. Eh, uwi na tayo, pre. Nakuha ko na yung lanyard.
Should golden hour paint a dream like you. Even dreams start playing too. I am leaving, tell me what to do.
Guys, nandito na si Prof. Wala siyang kakampi.
Yan, bossing na yung nireply ako.
Nag-reply na yung idol ko. So guys, medyo na-bored ata kami. Kasi, tingnan nyo. Ba't ka naglolol? Di gina.
Startup landing time. So, in my case, my co-founders.
Hi guys, so the orientation or the program itself is done. So we're going out para ano gagawin? Eat. So kain lang kami. I mean, may free lunch pero siguro bibili lang kami ng snacks kasi ang lamig sobra. Magpapainit lang kami nito. Alam mo.
Natanong mo na, pre, kung ano pangalan ng tatay ni Pinukuya ko talaga siya.
Okay guys, kanina pa kami tumatawa dito. Kasi, ewan ko, may sinisiraan kasi kami. So, guys, ang ganda dito. Hi guys, so we're back. Tapos lunch na.
Hello.
Bakit ang lumot ni Moy?
Sino bang, kindly raise hands of groups na wala pang unit still so that we could go to you.
So,
Keep that
eat
up.
well.
Keep that up.
Oh my God guys, ayan na yung team.
As you know, dami nating efficiently. Don't know what kind of
Hi guys, so it's been ilang oras na? It's been,
Hours na yata.
hindi pa naman, it's been 2.5 hours. Kanina pa kami nag-iisip ng idea for the ideation phase, pero wala pa rin kami nagagawa. Say hi. Ano idea natin, Faye? 2.5 oras na tayo gumagawa.
Paubos na yung euro.
So, actually, madami pa ditong nag-iisip pa din na idea.
Wala ko na ng euro.
1 hour nga lang yung ideation phase, diba? So, parang ang dami pa rin stuck. Kasi very hirap talaga ng team, to be honest. It's about convenience, about a particular hassle. Tapos may SDG pa, so kailangan natin i-consider yung community, sustainable community. So, yan, medyo ang dami naming na-roll out na, ganun. So, sana ma-solve namin yung problema. So guys, time check. Wait, time check. It's 5:05. So, tapos na yung pinaka-program. Actually, mamaya pang 6 ka. So, pinayagan na kami lumabas kasi it's Friday and syempre, may possibility na magka-rush hour. Until now, guys, wala pa rin kami idea. So, it's very stressful kasi, you know, hindi pa rin namin alam gagawin namin. So, yeah, please pray for us. Hi guys! So, lumabas na kami. Hindi na kami babalik dun. Nade-depress na kaming lahat. Na-deprive na yung utak na kami. Oo, naghanap kami pagkain ngayon. Yeah.
I can feel us slipping away, treading water. Yeah, what's the use? I just stay playing these games.
Aray ko. Nabagod na.
Naluloko.
Drips off in the light.
So unfortunately, we kind of backed out of Hacker Cup, and it's mutual. It took us so long to come up with an idea, but there's a lot of ideas. We had a lot of ideas. We just couldn't pinpoint a single one that we all wanna do. So there was kind of tension na was 12 hours. It was already 12 hours. Wala pa rin kaming nagagawang medyo concrete. But we tried a lot of ideas. Hindi naman kami like nag-rule out na lang ng mga ideas namin and hindi namin na-execute ganun. We did a lot of ideas and we just couldn't get it right, you know. It wasn't like the idea na we all wanted to present. Parang laging may naglalak yung idea namin. But we tried our best, to be honest. Siguro we just had a lot of problems when it comes to our communication. Alam ko rin naman sa sarili ko na I had a huge part of that tension because I sort of disagreed with ideas that I saw a huge hole in it. And ngayon, I realized that that was wrong, you know. I should have focused on the positive aspects of the projects, not the negative ones, not the holes, but the part that built that idea, you know. And I really want to apologize. Well, we were in good terms now. We were really on good terms. Siguro, we were just tired, or we were just exhausted by the long span of us thinking over and over again. So, yeah, hindi na kami nag-agree sa isa't isa, and especially ako. I had to turn ideas down, and I feel bad for it kasi, you know, they had potentials, but we just saw that, you know, it's not the perfect idea. Dun kami mali. We wanted to have a perfect idea na agad. We wanted to have a perfect product in just a span of one day, to be honest. And that's not possible. That's not possible always. Not always. It's just not possible. Kahit sabihin nyo napakaganda na idea, it wouldn't be perfect in just a span of one day. You know? Kaya, din kami nagkamali. Kasi, we wanted to be perfect agad, right? We wanted to be perfect right away. Maybe because it's just, we wanted to show off in a way. Not show off in a negative way, but na we can do this, Kasi maybe we're just a bit of beginner. We were intimidated by others because they were like fourth years already. So, and we're just second year, we're just sophomores. So, we wanted to have a bang right away, not knowing na in the simple ideas is where we should have started. So, yeah, I did apologize for that. I had a huge part in training down ideas, and I did apologize already. We were all in good terms now. We saw this as, it's a bit embarrassing. We hyped it up. We were so excited, and we really wanted to win. To be honest, it's a huge win for us. Even if we just presented our idea, but we didn't. We backed out. Literally the morning, because we were awake for how many hours? 12 hours? Kasi it was around 2:30, so 2:30 a.m. 12 hours. But we were still thinking around 6, so there's still 3 hours and 30 minutes of thinking. So it was 15 hours, almost 16 hours, and we were awake for a day, literally a day. So it was exhausting. So, yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. Pero, we didn't fixate on that. So, we saw this as a part or an experience as a team na there would be days na we wouldn't agree on each other's idea. And we shouldn't take it personally. We should always be objective when we're in a team, it's part of our lore as a team. So at least we're still in the early beginnings of our journey when we encounter this. Kasi now we'll know what to do next time we encounter this. We'll step back and analyze our ideas, our team. Kasi that's what matters the most, is not having a perfect idea, but an idea that we see as the best idea that will represent our group. So that's it. And huge thanks to Ate Sonia for talking to us. It really did open our eyes. Yeah, we shouldn't be like 4 random individuals pitching their ideas. We should be a team na ready and agree sa objectives natin. This is just a lore. We promise that we would be better next time, to be a better team member, and to be a member that would think of the positives, not the negative. And I promise to be a better pitcher as well, as a pitcher of our group, kasi it's really hard to be confident when I'm not confident with ideas as well. So I have to work on that. Kasi as a pitcher, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, our ideas wouldn't be perfect all the time. So if magiging pitcher ako, should I always pitch lang kapag perfect yung idea? No, di ba? So I have to persuade myself as well. And be confident, We should just enjoy the competitions. We shouldn't feel the pressure. Although, it's a good thing that we feel the pressure because we want to win. But we want to experience as well. So, it's better to face risks, face our fears. And yeah, I promise to be better next time. And we all promise to be better next time. So, this marks our journey to a more competitive, more fierce, but more smart and organized team. And mark our words, we would be champion in any other hackathons the next time we join. So, wouldn't be the first try, okay, it's okay. It wouldn't be the second try, it's okay. But we would be champions. That's all. Peace.
Uy! Galit! Galit! Pre, galit! Pre, galit! Pre, galit!
Wait lang. Uy! Bakit ganyan, pre? Bakit ka ganyan sa tropa? Aray ko.
Uy!
Patay ako.
Uy! Ayun na pre, oh! Ayun na pre, oh!
Tangina nyo. Nanunura ako.
Kadiri! Tangina, self-defense and dura.
Bakit parang lason na yun? Parang lason na tayo.
Kaya naman sabi mo sa vlog ni Charles Pro.
Kaya magbati na kayo, mga visit kayo.
Nakakaawa yun, oh!
O, bigyan mo na ano.
Screenshot! Oh, sorry! Tangina! Kawawa sa game jam! Woo!
Wait. Guys, eto. Congratulate lang natin si Mark sa pagiging top 2 sa
Wala gago!
next nilang, ay sa ngayong CPF nila. Top 2 siya out sa buong leaderboard. Congratulate natin si Kit. Nakapagpagupit na siya!
Tangina mo!
Oh.
Oh, gago! Ay, ano natin?